Verbs that use a gerund or a noun plus infinitive. Here's a list of verbs that can be followed by a gerund or a noun plus infinitive with examples. First we have advise. I advise taking waterproof boots. My teacher advised me to take waterproof boots. Allow. We allow drinking your own alcohol. We allow you to drink your own alcohol. Encourage. My mum encourages going to bed early. My mum encourages me to go to bed early. Forbid. The school forbids cheating in exams. The school forbids students to cheat in exams. Permit. We don't permit talking in the library. We don't permit you to talk in the library. Require. The competition requires entering at least 2 hours before. The competition requires you to enter at least 2 hours before. Teach. I taught swimming at summer camp. I taught them to swim at summer camp. And finally, urge. They urge recycling at my work. They urge us to recycle at work. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on gerunds.